Hey guys, welcome to Learn with Maktoum. In this video, we will be discussing the last concept of HTML, that is the structure of HTML5. Okay, so before going to start, I want to tell you some of the things. So in this HTML tutorial, we have not discussed about classes and IDs. That one topic we left out. That topic will be dealing when we will be learning CSS, because if I teach them now, you will not get that correctly. But when we are learning CSS, we can differentiate what are classes and IDs in CSS. Okay, so that is the thing I wanted to tell you. So now, are you excited to learn the structure of HTML5? So without wasting time, let's right jump into it. When you visit any website, so for example here, I have opened w3schools.com. Okay. So whenever you see a website, you can see there will be a logo and there will be these menus. Yes. Like here, if I click on this, all the tutorials will be shown, and references, all these things are available, examples. So these are the menus, we can say. Okay, and here there will be a middle main content, and some of the content were assigned on the left side and some of them are assigned on the right side. So we can divide this website into some sections. Okay, so what are those? Firstly, wherever this logo and this headings are there, those things can be grouped into a tag called as header tag. Okay, so the structure of HTML. So to show that, I'm going to create a new file here. I'm going to name it as structure.html. I will change the title tag to structure of HTML5. Okay, first I said I can group the headings and the logos, whatever are there, we can group them into a tag called as header tag. So this is the first tag in which you will be writing the, okay, I will write the comments here so you can remember. So you can add logo headings inside this tag. Clear with that? So inside the header tag, you will be adding logo and headings. Okay, so the next thing here, you can see these menu bar. Okay, or you can say this is as a nav bar. Okay, which will be navigating you from one page to another page. Yes, so that thing can be included to include the links, or you can say the menus. There is something called as nav. Okay, nav tag. Inside this, you can have a list, that may be your ordered list or a link or ordered list or the unordered list, as well as you can include the links. Okay, so you can write down the comment here. You can include links. Okay, that is also, you can have lists also. Okay, This navbar you can write it separately, or you can also write it inside the header tag, no problem. Okay, this is one more thing. And now this is the main content. You can see this HTML, the language for building web pages. So this is the main content. You can have a main tag here. Okay, so main tag, inside that main tag you can have different things, like for example, now I want to use a particular this much section will be for HTML. When I go down, the next section will be for CSS. Like this it will goes on. So you can add sections to your page using a tag called as section tag. Okay, so inside the section tag, say you want to add some quotes by the great people, quotes given by the great people. So for that there is something called as block quote. So inside this block quote tag you can write the quotes. Okay, and say you want to place the content on the side. So for that there is a tag called as aside tag. You can also use this aside tag. Okay, so these are about, and there's one more tag called as article. So article you can write separately also, and you can write it inside the section also. Article tag. Okay, whatever some of the small contents are there which you want to display, you can use article tag. Okay, so these are the new things which we are learning. Okay, these are the things which are there in HTML5. Okay, so this is all about the main tag. Inside the main you can have sections, you can add the codes, you can place the content on the side, and you can place small contents. Okay, inside the article tag. Now at the bottom, when you go, there will be like contact us or something. Yes, contact us, or they will be giving you the terms and conditions, and this copyright, all these things will be there in the bottom. So to add them, there will be a tag, that section is called as a footer. Okay, so footer of the page we can say. So to include the footer, we can have footer tag. Okay, in this footer tag you're going to include the things which you want to come in the bottom of your web page. Okay, so the header, whatever the things which you want to come on the top. Footer, the things which you want to come in the bottom. Okay, and the main section is the main content of your web page. Okay, so I'll write a comment here. You can add contact us or terms and conditions, etc. Okay, so I hope I'm clear with this. So in the header tag you can add the logos, headings inside this tag, and the things which you want to come on top of your page, so that you can add in header tag. And now nav tag, you can add the links and the lists, and the main tag includes your main content of the page. Okay, in that you can have sections, block quote, aside, and article tags. Okay, then coming to the bottom of your web page, whatever the things which you want to come in your bottom of the page, you can include them in the footer section. I hope I'm clear with that. This is all about the structure of HTML5. So from the next video we will be starting with CSS, that is cascading style sheets. Okay, so I am going to see you in the next video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to get the notifications, click on the bell icon. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.